All right, let's go ahead and make some mayo, like mayonnaise, fresh, to see if we can go ahead and use this immersion blender to whip up something tasty. So we're gonna be using we're gonna use one whole egg, a large egg, salt, mustard, and we're gonna be adding olive oil as well. And then of course we're gonna be using this immersion blender. So go ahead and crack your egg, put it into a container or jar that you'll be able to use with the immersion blender. And let's see how well this works here. So again, lemon juice, if I didn't mention that already, salt, one whole egg, and we're just kind of eyeballing it. You know, no perfect way to make this, in my opinion. Just add based off of your taste and your preference. So you might want more mustard, or you might not want to add mustard at all, and that's totally fine. But you're gonna go ahead and combine these ingredients, and instead of hand whisking it, we are gonna use the immersion blender. But as you'll see here in just a second, it's really cool how you could control the speed, but just by pressing the button harder. So if you want the blender to actually work harder and work faster, you can press more firmly on the button and it will speed up and actually work faster. So here's all of our combined ingredients. Let's go ahead and use the immersion blender. It is beautiful, it is stainless steel. And so normally we would need to literally take a whisk and try our hardest to fight and try and make this into mayo, but it would be so much effort. So let's try it with this emulsion blender. It should be much, much easier than us trying to whisk it ourselves. You gotta go all the way down to the bottom when you're doing this, and then you can see how it just effortlessly turns this into mayonnaise. We're making some BLT sandwiches, and this is going to be absolutely delicious.
Lay on the top first.
Yeah.
You're just gonna detach it.
Super easy to detach and clean. Here's the final mayo. So a few things to note about this that I didn't actually realize. First of all, it is not wireless. It is wired. You will need to plug this in, but it's not necessarily a bad thing because it probably gives it a little bit more power and oomph, and you don't have to worry about charging it. It's got these extra attachments too that I wasn't really paying too much attention to, but really nice to have. A whisk attachment, and then also I think this is a milk frother attachment of some type. But yeah, it does come with the standard blender bottom here, the immersion blender. Otherwise, solid quality product for the first time using it. We're really happy with it. Hope this helps. Hope you have an amazing day.